Alright, welcome to a little bonus install video, I guess. As you've seen a few weeks ago on our car walk around, our car update video, there was a few things I still wanted to do to the car, and one of those things is right next to me here. Here it is. If you don't know, if you haven't seen this, we usually use the Malenko clip-on mirrors, screw-on mirrors. They were good. We went all around Australia with them. They do vibrate and shake quite a bit on corrugations, and they actually did, not on this mirror, but it's the same setup. Where they clamped on, they actually cracked the top of our Navara mirror. So I'm just putting that down to obviously corrugations. Today, these factory mirrors are going, and we have some pretty cool tow mirrors to chuck on. So let's go have a look at them, and I'll show you which ones we got. As you've seen in our walk around video, Vic Off-Road, who gave us the awning, have also jumped on board to give us some tow mirrors. Let's rip them out of the box and see what they're all about. They are heavy, which is expected because they're beast here. Check those things out. Jeez, they're freaking sick. That's where they pull out when you're towing. Obviously back end, be a lot easier when I'm on the car. I don't want to break them when they're not on the car. But how good are they? These ones, they do come with the indicators. Not sure if my Model 1's an older Land Cruiser. They don't have them standard in the normal mirrors, but freaking sick. Heavy duty too, which is what I like. So let's go chuck them in. It's a pretty easy install. All you need is a screwdriver and a 10mm spatter. That's just for the 200 series Land Cruiser though. I'm not sure about other vehicles. Yeah, so it's just three bolts that hold onto the car, but we'll go in there and I'll rip it apart and get the old ones out and put new ones in, and yeah, see what they look like. I think they look sick. Don't worry about the washing in the background. It has been raining here, so that's why I run to the awning. It's caravan life, I guess.
TJ's undies there.
Oh, mine. There's Leah's. Leah's granny panties. All right, let's go and rip this apart. Seems pretty straightforward, but yeah, usually when things are straightforward for me, it takes twice as long. But let's go over there and pull it apart now. Yeah, so pretty much, actually before I start, this is one thing both videos said that I watched on YouTube. Wind down your window. Alrighty, window's down. Alright, so all you need to do on the 200 series Land Cruiser, this little bit here, that's over the door handle, we'll take that off. Do that now. You can obviously use a plastic thing in case you're scared about scratching your bloody car, but I think I'm pretty careful. This here does pop up as well. So get this out, there you go. That can stay there. So that comes out. Throw that down there. You've got two screws in there, and then there's one behind this as well. Oh, there it goes. Throw that over there. Yeah, so you got the three. 1, 2, 3. And literally you take them out, and then you just, the rest of the door trim is just in a little plastic clips. So let's pull these out now. Does help too if you got a magnetised screwdriver. That way you can just pull the screw straight out. Let's get this one out. One other thing you got to pop off. It's a little plastic bit here, which pops off. Throw that down there. You just kind of give it a bit of a yank. Probably got to break something here, but there we go. And that's pretty much the door card off. You can unplug the whole thing. I'll just let it sit there for now, but yeah, there's the plug for the mirror, and there's just 3 bolts there. You take them off and done. 3 10mm bolts or nuts. So I'll take them off. Take them off. There you go. That is one mirror taken off. I think we did it right there. So obviously, because mine's a 2011 model, it uses a different plug, which they've also sent through. So it's just a matter of unplugging them and plugging these ones in. It shouldn't be too hard. The colours are all there. Turn that one out. Put that one in. Purple and black. So I'm guessing it goes that side. There you go. Plug that in, and this is why you wind the window down. Just so you can get your hand through. Pull the cable through. Try and line up everything without scratching anything. See how it all lines up. That one there, and that one up there. There you go, mirrors on. So it come with new nuts. So you can just use them instead of the old ones. Chuck them on. Like that. Plug that back in. Is it moving?
Yeah.
So there you go. And I couldn't imagine the indicator works on it. I don't think it will, because
No.
but that's all right. Ours doesn't have the indicators and mirrors, but they come with it. But as you've seen, the left and right works, and that's all that we need to work. All right, yeah. So I'll tighten it all up, put this back on. I'll do the other side. It's the same process on the other side, and we'll show you the finished product. Probably made that look a lot harder than it needed to be. They're on and they work. So yeah, with my model, the only functions I have are the mirrors move up and down on this bit. Obviously the newer Land Cruisers, the indicator will work. There's blind spot monitoring, all that stuff. But yeah, if you've never seen tow mirrors before, which I'm sure you have, but just out like that. Out. And then they feel solid, eh? That's what I like to see. I like them going solid, but they look sick. Finally got some tow mirrors. Jesus, it's only been like 2 years. Sick. Super easy install. So I don't know about your vehicle, but you've got a Land Cruiser. Yeah, it's easy. It's literally like a 5-minute job each side if you don't stuff it like I did, but they all work. Well, the functions I have work. Obviously you got the flasher Land Cruiser than me. All your indicators, all that stuff will work. But they are going to be sick. So all I needed was a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and either a 10mm socket or a 10mm spanner. My little socket, that little socket set I use, I love that thing. It's finally broken, so that's why I had to use a spanner in that. But yeah, 3 tools and you can change all your mirrors over. How good's that? It's the same here. They fit real nice too everywhere, which I'm very happy about. And they just look sick. Can't wait to get the van on the back and actually test them out on the road. So yeah, another big thanks to Vic Off-Road for gifting these to us. Yeah, so that's a quick little, I hope you like that quick little install. I know. I don't really do install videos because stuff that takes 5 minutes usually takes me like an hour. So I suck at it. But if you're a Land Cruiser, definitely get some of these tow mirrors because legally you need to have them. And I think they look sick. Yeah, so that's our quick little, my quick little install video. If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, ask some comments about it. By the time this video comes out, I would have used them a little bit, so I'll be able to give you some feedback about them. But like I said, in and out. Rich, just look at that. So the knockers are going to blow in, and I've just got the mirror function. So yeah, sick bit of gear. If you want some, head to Vic Off-Road. They've got heaps of gear on there, but these are definitely on there as well. Stay tuned for the next episode and catch you later, guys.